people, editing Randy here. I just wanted to invite you all to come to our live bead sale tomorrow, Monday. I know it's Happy Mother's Day, so Happy Mother's Day to everybody out there. I'm putting this video up, which is not normally something that I normally do, but I had this little clip from the bead store when me and Amber were discussing the Tibetan brass pendants and their meanings. So I just thought I would share before we get into the bead sale and everybody has questions. So I thought that it would be good for Amber to just do a little explaining on some of the stuff. So I hope that is helpful. But yeah, so the bead sale, we do live bead sale every Monday on YouTube at 9 a.m. And all you need to do is come and comment the number. So there will be a number. As an example, this one says TF747. So when we show the item, I'll show the number with the item, and you would put 747 and then how many times how many ever you want. And then we will write it down. Afterwards, I will split out all the orders. We'll take pictures of the individual orders. We'll do itemized invoices. And then I will post those on my Etsy shop. So you can make a secured purchase through Etsy with whatever kind of payments you use on Etsy. So that's how we do it. I hope you will all come. Everyone is invited. We do it every Monday at 9 a.m. So I'll see you guys then. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. It was so much fun. I love my friends. Shout out to Amber at Love and Guts on Etsy. That's the name of her shop. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hello, party people! Hello. It's Randy. I'm here with no lipstick on. My hair is a wreck. That's how you know I'm really bead shopping. I'm here with Amber. And...
Hi.
And we're here, and Amber is going to tell us about all of these wonderful, spectacular items that are Tibetan.
Yes.
Tibetan and brass. So these are the items that I'm going to get for the website, and she is going to talk about them for us.
Okie dokie. So we've got elephant. This is not in the form of any particular deity, but elephants do get worshipped, and they can represent intelligence, removal of obstacles, logical mindedness, taking action. Basically nothing's getting in your way, and if something is in your way, it is going to be removed out of your way. This is called a Vajra or a Dorji, which in Sanskrit means diamond or thunderbolts. Basically indestructibility with irresistible force. And every little part of this represents something important pertaining to spiritual enlightenment. And sometimes you'll see sacred paintings of deities holding these to signify that they have all the power. And here is a double Vajra or double Dorji. So you can imagine that that is significant. It's twice this. You've got the 4 directions. We were just reading that it's said to support the entire physical universe. Kind of a big deal. This is a Serpent Kundalini. Kundalini is energy that is depicted as a serpent that is coiled at the base of your spine, and if you have a Kundalini awakening, it rises up your spine in kind of a double helix form. That is the energy that is said to have created the known universe. These guys are mudras. Hand mudras of different kinds. You'll see Buddhas or other deities doing them, or people in meditation. So basically this mudra is showing the consciousness of the universe and the consciousness of the individual connected. So complete consciousness. And you'll see people doing that in meditation. And you have turtle in jade. Turtle, Randy knows more about than me. She was just telling me it's a matriarchal, motherly symbol.
Yes, because turtles are known to be some of the full of wisdom because they've been around and are some of the most oldest. The Mother Earth is represented in the turtle, and it represents femininity and transitions. So that is the turtle.
And we have cobra. Snakes are representative of transformation, shedding their skin.
I just learned about that today when I was looking out for Grandpa's manifestation bracelet. And we learned about the snake and how the snake kind of has a dual, I don't know what you want to call it, representation, dependent on kind of where you're at with it.
Interesting.
Yeah, well, a lot of times the snakes will be represented as maybe like an evil thing, like
Oh, sure. Yes.
in, different types of texts, but then in other texts they're representative of just transformation and change and symbolism.
Rebirth.
Yeah, rebirth. It's more of the older texts, I would say, is it says that. So I'm going with that.
Yeah, I love snake as a positive symbol myself.
Yeah, same.
And then this is a Thai amulet with an umlau, a life path on the back. There's a legend with this guy. Basically, he's protecting you from villains. Anything that has malice against you, this is protection from that.
I seen him and I was like, oh, see no evil, pretty
Yep,
much.
Basically that.
Basically that.
Functions to prevent villains, avoiding weasels, devils, and bringing up unexpected money, investing in business.
Yeah. So that is what we got going on today. I'm out here. Where's Amber at? Gosh. So we are just hanging out. I'm getting ready to check out and get back home because we got a live on Facebook tonight because it's Friday. So if you're seeing this on a different day, everybody give thumbs up for Amber. Always explaining things to us. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye, guys.